y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, what's up, y'all? What is going on? How are y'all doing? I hope y'all all doing good. Long time no see. I miss y'all so much. Okay, so I received some happy mail. Yay! It made my day. I'm gonna tell y'all who sent it. Leanne sent it to me from Hawaii. So I'm so excited because I wasn't expecting like this much stuff. And she did tell me she was sending me something. She's so sweet. If you do not know Leanne, oh my gosh, she's so sweet. She sends us stuff all the time, and I really appreciate her. Her and I do talk on Messenger, so she has been going through a lot as well, and I just say prayers for her, you know, because she goes through a lot. Anywho, I don't want to tell all her business, so I'm moving on. I just think she's a wonderful person. Okay, so with that said, I'm gonna open the first package. Let's see. Okay, well, I need scissors. There's that. I need scissors. I'm sorry I haven't been on in a while filming, y'all. I'm going through a lot of stuff. Y'all already know. It's kind of rough, but, you know, I'm getting there. Okay? So, there's that. Plus, I'm trying to do my book talk stuff and get my book stuff going. And I'm about to film some book stuff on here. I hope y'all like my book stuff. Good God, she sent me a whole bag. So, okay, the bag is finally empty, and now we're gonna see what we got. Okay, so first things first. Well, this is an empty package, but I'm pretty sure something fell out. So I'm pretty sure it's this. This was the package it came in. Oh my God. Yo, it is a bookmark. Holy cow. Oh, Leanne, I'm so excited. Oh my God. It says, always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. Oh my God. I don't want to cry. I said I wasn't going to do that. I'm not gonna. Okay? Not gonna. Leanne, yo, look at this. How pretty. I know it's hard to see because it's stainless steel or whatever. But yo, oh my gosh. It's a bookmark. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Leanne, thank you so much. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yes. Thank you, Leanne. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, we have another one. Let me cut this with a shoe. Yeehaw. I see it already. Y'all, it is a coaster. I think it's a coaster. I'm not sure, but I like it because it has a sea turtle. Y'all. It says, I'm gonna have to take off the backing if I can to read it because it's if I can. I can't. Wait, let me grab something, y'all. Maybe some tweezers might help me. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm sorry, I wasn't prepared for this, y'all, okay? I'm sorry, y'all. I wasn't prepared for this. So I'm trying to get it off without messing it up. Oh, okay, I got it. Oh, yes, it says... Okay, just look how cute this is. Oh my God, it looks like it's for really in water, like, oh my God, it's so cute. It looks like water. It says, every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath and start again. Oh, Leanne, I love it. I love these. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try to get like something to display them on because she has given me more. I just don't have nothing to put them on, but I will get something. Make me a little shelf just for these. Oh my God, they're so cute. Thank you, Leanne. I love it. I love it. I'm going to keep all these tools handy right here. Okay, so that. And then, I'm losing all kind of stuff, y'all. I'm not used to doing this no more, so please forgive me. So this is a diamond painting. See how, okay. Is it a dragon? Oh no, it's a girl. Is it a mermaid? Okay, I'm not sure. I think this is a mermaid. Y'all look how cute. She has fire. Like, this is cool. I really like this. Or is it a dragon? No, it's a mermaid. I mean, I see her, but I'm not sure. I don't know what this, I don't know, but it's cute. It's so cute. I like the colors. The colors of the fire is cool. This is cool, y'all. This is cool. Check her little tail out. I don't know. I hope it's a dragon or, yeah, I don't know. Anywho, it's cute. Thank you, Leanne. It's a round drill. It comes with all these colors as well. That's so cute. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so. I'm moving this so I don't get this mess. Get this mess. Okay. So that's one. Y'all, I know I'm running out of room. I don't know where to put this. To put it on my table, I'll put it on my table for now. Okay. So here's another. Leanne, this is so thoughtful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. That girl, tell you what. I'm just throw everything on the floor. Pick it up later. This is another diamond painting. Painting, y'all. Oh, this is a girl too. These are some pretty colors. This is another mermaid one. Look at the thumbnail, y'all, how pretty this is. Y'all excuse my fingers. Look how cute. This is so cute. I love all those blue colors, like the blues. That's so cute. And it is a round drill too. So these are the colors that's going to be in this diamond painting. So cute. I gotta go come. Y'all, this thing's going to be 50 minutes. We have another diamond painting. Leanne's so thoughtful, y'all. I'm just telling y'all. And she's like always checking up on me, as many of you guys are. Joanna, Richard, everybody is always checking up on me, and I really appreciate that. I'm very thankful to have friends like y'all. Very, and very grateful. Okay, so here's another. It's a round. Y'all, I have not gotten any farm related stuff in so long. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is farm related. Leanne knows me. Just like another YouTuber that we know. Diamond Grandma. Diamond Grandma loves farm stuff too. I don't know why I didn't want to say her name. Just Diamond Grandma loves farm stuff, and so do I. Farm stuff and ocean stuff. I like any kind of stuff, really. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. I love it. Look at the thumbnail. That's gonna be so stinking cute when it's done. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love it, Leanne. Thank you so much. It's a round drill too. Look at these colors. Y'all, literally, I want to do this in the fall. I do. I want to do some fall stuff. Y'all, we already talking about fall too. Okay, let's see what this is. This came in this tube. Oh, look how cute. This is gonna go cute on my ocean wall. Yo, oh my God, Leanne, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, Leanne, this is so cute. Yo, this is cute. This is gonna go in a frame. I'm keeping this round thing. This is gonna go in a frame on my ocean wall as soon as we can do my ocean wall. Yo, look. I can't even. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. I have to, it's rolled up, so I have to kind of hold it. But look at her beautiful tail. Shoot, this mermaid's so pretty. Oh, Leanne, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yo, look at those colors. Oh my gosh. Yo, I can't even. Oh God, this is beautiful, Leanne. Oh my goodness. I don't know where you got this, but this is really pretty. Really, really pretty. I love it. I can't wait. I want to put it in a frame and hang it up. Even though my ocean wall's not done, I'm still want to put it in a frame and hang it up. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. The colors are beautiful. Look at the colors in her hair though. I mean, just look at those colors. It's hard to hold up, but I love it. Okay, it's beautiful. So pretty. Someone's calling me. I love it. Oh my goodness. Now I won't be able to fit it back in here because this is small. Shoot. No, I'm gonna have to put it somewhere because I won't be able to fit it back in its tube. But I don't want it to get messed up. So I'm gonna try rolling it smaller after this. Okay, so I have another package. Wait, sorry, I dropped something. So this came also, and it's another sea turtle, and it says, they have some film on it as well because it says please tear off the film, but I don't want to take it off right now. But it says just a gift who loves sea turtles, and I do. Y'all, look how cute. I'm so excited she got me these because I'm gonna put them on a shelf so that they can, everybody can see them once I get my ocean wall done. It's gonna be so cute. Thank you, Leanne. I love it. You know I love it. You know I love it, girl. Okay, so I have another package left. So I'm gonna open this one as well. Because I didn't open any of these. Okay, so the first thing is, these are cute. Yeah, I really need to get to stepping and do some of these. I just have really a lot going on right now. I always have a lot going on. I don't know. Hopefully I can catch a break soon. So these are with the little jewels. So I'm guessing, I'm trying to see exactly what they are. Okay, so I'm guessing it's little keychain things. But I'm trying to see the theme because I'm not sure what the theme is. I'm guessing just little jewel. I don't know. I'm not sure what the theme is. I don't know. This looks like kind of like a pineapple. I don't know, y'all. I really don't know what the theme is, but they're cute. I can't, or it might be just little designs, you know, just little trinkets for, I'm not sure what the designs are, but look how cute. They're cute. They're going to be so cute done. Look, here's another one. Looks like jewels, kind of maybe. But they come, it's the rhinestones. So they come with all of these colors, and they also come with the big rhinestones. And I really haven't done much of these yet. And I do have a lot. And I think I would enjoy doing these because they're pretty quick. So, yeah. That's that for that. So I'm going to stop this video for now because I do have one more thing, but I'm going to film it separately. And yeah, because I do have a phone call coming in and have to get it. And I don't want to have to start all over. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the subscribe and like button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.